What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and you are watching the Deal Finder. Tuesday, March 25th, and we are back at Costco with the hot flash deals for the week. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. And here's a little pro tip before we begin the video. When you come to Costco, as soon as you walk in, if you notice nothing's on sale, in these end caps, you may want to wait if you can afford to. That tells me this week or the following week, they are going to put out a new coupon book or maybe a hot buy. So you may want to wait. There may be a good sale coming up. That's why they brought all those products right up front. Now today, we're at a weird transition phase. We know that Costco coupon book does end this Sunday on the 30th, and I will put out another video on that, but let's get into the video, friends. Just a little bit of knowledge, hopefully it did make sense. Starting the video off in the number one spot from Harry's, we do have their Chrome Edition. Now these cartridges are pretty great. I do prefer these over the Gillette. 13 cartridges and one handle you get here. Now these are razor sharp, very nice razor. I personally love them. $6 off the price today, $21.99. These are nice engineered German blades, I believe. And then directly behind me from Nexus, we do have their Color Assure shampoo and conditioner set. We have two big bottles. Each bottle is 32 ounces. Now these are enriched with proteins and quinoa. It does extend and protects the color treated hair, which is definitely a plus. It's good for up to 40 washes, and it keeps your hair nice and vibrant. Today, they're giving us a $6 discount, bringing the price down to $23.99. It's also available at Costco.com. You can pick it up there for about $5 more. And let's not forget about the very popular Tommy Bahama. This is their Destination Relaxation Extra Large Jumbo Padded Chair. Now this chair is super comfortable, and when you come to Costco, if they have one on display, definitely take a seat and you'll know what I'm talking about. Super comfortable. Now it does include a nice carrying bag with shoulder straps. What's nice about this chair is the weight capacity. It can hold up to 500 pounds, no problem, so it can handle the big boys with ease, or maybe two people can sit on it. Super cool chair here. Now it's overly padded for that extra comfort. It's super comfortable. They have two different colors. They have the brown and they have the green available. Today, we have $12 off the price, bringing it down to $49.99. Now, I've gone over this product once or twice, maybe 3 times by now. We have the very popular Rapid. Now, I don't know how I feel about this product, but I finally pulled the trigger today and bought it. So I am going to try it out. I'm going to see if it's useful or not. The reviews are kind of, they're good on it. It's just a lot of money for what it is, in my opinion. But I bought it, so I'm going to try it out. I'm going to organize everything in my garage one day. So hopefully I will use this very soon. $6 off the price, $9.99. You do get 24 pieces of storage straps with that set. And now from Samsung, we do have their Galaxy Tab S9 right in front of us. This is an awesome tablet. It's 12.4 inches, so a lot of people love that size. 128 gig. The screen is super large, has dual speakers, so it sounds pretty amazing. Now it does come with the very popular S Pen, which everyone loves. Has a nice responsive time on that. Now today, they're taking $130 off the price, bringing it down to $419.99. This tablet also has a nice battery life with 20 hours. And here we have the very popular Cetaphil, their moisturizing lotion, dry to normal sensitive skin, a 2-count, each bottle is 20 ounces. Now this moisturizing lotion does hydrate for 48 hours. We have a bunch of more of their products on sale, but I am going to leave those till the end of the video. Now here, this Cetaphil is hypoallergenic and dermatologist tested, just in case, and it won't clog any pores. Today we have a nice $4.50 off discount, bringing the price down to $15.49. And we do have a bunch of security cameras on sale. Right in front of us, we do have the Ring outdoor stick-up battery cameras. Now, these cameras are pretty nice. We have a 3-pack. You just mount them, stick them up, just like the way it sounds, actually. Indoor and outdoor use. 1080p, has that two-way talk. These cameras are super easy to install, so if you don't have any cameras at your household, you may want to try these out. They're very easy to install. They have 3 adjustable mounts that are included. Today, we have a nice $20 discount that's going to bring the price down to $179.99. Now, if you didn't know, every week I like to put out Costco's new deals for the week. I call them the flash deals. Right in front of us, we have the Ring outdoor floodlight camera. Now, I did cover this in last week's flash deals, so you may want to watch that at the end of this video. It's a great video, and a lot of deals in that video are still valid to this day. So here we have it. And here we have the Ring outdoor security light. Now this light is hardwired, but they do give you an additional stick-up camera that's battery operated. So you do get two cameras in the set, $60 off the price, $189.99. Now, if you're not a fan of Ring and you do want to move up a little bit when it comes to quality, definitely check out these cameras from Eufy. Now, these security cameras are pretty awesome. This is their Solo Cam S3, their pan tilt outdoor camera. Now, what's nice about these cameras, no monthly fees are required. Has that 360 surveillance. It's solar powered, which is pretty great. Nice large solar panel on this camera. It has color night vision. It has that dual cameras with both have 2K resolution. Now, this camera's on sale, $30 off, $119.99. So when it comes to me showing you the flash deals for the week, you can go ahead and go back and watch at least 1-2 weeks ago. A lot of these deals are still good. Like this one right in front of me, a great buy here from Trinity. We have our stainless steel sink that does include a pull-out faucet. It's 18 by 16 by 13 inches. This is a great buy. Stainless steel, 16 gauge, NSF certified. Now it does have a 1.8 gallon per minute pull-out faucet. This is a pretty great product from Trinity. They're giving us a $50 discount. Now here you can pick it up at Costco for $219.99, and this deal is valid to the 31st. And hidden over by the TV section, right by the printers. Oh, don't forget about those scissors on clearance. Right here we have the wrapping paper and we have the ribbon on sale. Now these both, I believe, will definitely drop on clearance by the end of the month. So you may want to wait. You may want to take the chance and just buy it now. Either or, I will cover it. So here we have the Kirkland wrapping paper on sale, a great buy. We have 3 rolls, and then we have the ribbon to my right, another great buy. So both of these are on sale. These are all year round wrapping paper, so they're not holiday wrapping paper. So you can buy them now, use them throughout the year. A pretty great buy here. So what do we have? We have the wrapping paper for $11.99, and then we have the ribbon that has been marked discontinued. We can see there for $5.99. And now from MSI, we have their 27-inch gaming monitor. Now this gaming monitor is pretty nice. It's IPS. It's not full 4K, unfortunately, but the price is pretty decent. 2560 by 1440. Has that rapid IPS display, which I love. Has 170 Hz refresh rate with a 1 millisecond response time. NVIDIA G-Sync compatible. HDR 400. Pretty nice monitor for the price. $50 off. $149.99. You can pick it up at Costco.com for the same price. If you're tired of cleaning out your gutters, you may want to consider the Easy On gutter guards. Now these are super simple to install. Now you do have to consider a couple of different things. First, do you get a lot of snow? If you do, you may want to hold off because these can develop big ice dams in front of your gutters and water will penetrate and get into your home if that does happen. But it all depends on the style roof you have and the pitch. Number 2, do you get a lot of rain? If you do, you may want to hold off. You need the rain to get into your gutter for sure. That way the gutters can redirect the rain away from your home. Today, they're taking $15 off the price, bringing it down to $54.99. And now from Oral-B, we have their Complete Clean Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. So many toothbrushes on sale here at Costco. I'm starting to forget which is what and what is which. Right here, we have a $20 discount. That's what I can tell you. It does include 2 handles, 3 brushes, and 2 charging stations. You also get 2 travel cases as well, long-lasting batteries, 3 different clean settings. Today, they're giving us a $20 discount, bringing the price down to $79.99, the same price as Costco.com. And back on sale again, this time from Brita, we have their very popular water filter pitcher. Now this pitcher does have a 10 cup capacity. It also comes with 2 filters, which is great, so you have a refill. Now this pitcher has that smart light pitcher filter life indicator, which a lot of people love. That way it tells you when to change out that filter. This is a great product from Brita. It's BPA free. It reduces chlorine, mercury, copper, you name it. You can pick it up at $12.50 off the price, bringing it down to $21.49. Now I did just pick one of these up for myself. I'm doing a little movie theater room in my basement. If you want to see that, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to show you. Right in front of us, we have the cotton woven poofs in front of us. Now these are pretty nice. They're 53% cotton, 47% polyester. They have a nice handle on the side of them, easy to carry, very portable. 2 different colors available. We have the gray and we have the ivory. Both of them look nice. They have that nice loop texture to them. $11 off. $41.99. These are going to sell pretty quickly, and if they do sell out, I don't think they're going to restock. And let me just quickly plug my giveaway. If you haven't entered my giveaway, enter it now. It's completely free. All the information will be available on my last Amazon video. So go watch that. All the information's there. Back to the video. And then from Banana Boat, we have their Ultra SPF 50 sunscreen lotion. Here we have a 2-pack. Each bottle is 10 ounces. Now this lotion is sweat resistant and good for up to 80 minutes. $4 off the price, $10.99. And next up, what do we got here from Nestle? We have their evaporated milk. We do get 12 cans per package here. Do we want to have a look at the macros? Why not? So here we have it, 40 calories per serving. Let's zoom in on these macros so we can get a better look at it. Let's see if I can read this. 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein. That's for 2 tablespoons. Today, we're getting a pretty good discount, $3.40 off the price, $13.59. We do get 12 cans. Each can is 12 ounces. And then just around the corner, we have this awesome cereal from 7 Sundays. Now, the ingredients on this cereal are pretty amazing. This is perfect for your little ones, perfect for yourself. It's made with real cocoa, and it's sweetened with dates and coconut sugar. The macros are pretty amazing as well. And it has less than 1 gram of added sugar. It has 160 calories per serving. One serving is 1 full cup, 26 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, 5 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of protein. Less than 1 gram of added sugar. It's sweetened with dates and coconut sugar. Check out those ingredients. Pretty simple. $2 off, only $6.99. And I do love pretzels. I love a nice crunch. Now, these are from Dots, your home-style pretzels. Now, this does have soybean oil, multidextrin, has natural flavors, has artificial flavors. It has corn syrup, so keep that in mind. 1 ounce of this is 140 calories. Let me zoom in for you. Here it is, 19 carbs, 2 grams of protein. Now, these are on sale. We do get this massive size bag of pretzels, $35 ounces, $2.50 off the price, $7.49. And every time I see this popcorn, I always think of that book called Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. It's a kid's book. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but anyways, let's move on. We have the Boom Chicka popcorn, sweet and salty kettle corn, 140 calories per serving. That's for 2 cups. It does have 18 grams of carbs, 8 grams of added sugar, 2 grams of fiber, and then 1 gram of protein. We have an amazing price here, $2.30 off the price, bringing it down to $3.69. Where are you going to get a bag of popcorn that size for $3? And then from Heavenly Hunks, we have their organic oatmeal dark chocolate hunks. Now these hunks, the packaging looks pretty amazing. Makes me kind of want to buy it. But the macros on it are not the greatest in my opinion. They do have 120 calories for one of those little tiny hunks. They have 16 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar, and only 1 gram of protein. I'm going to need at least 10 of these to keep me satisfied. $3 off, only $6.99. And here we have a childhood classic, the Frosted Flakes. Great! We get 2 big bags of it. I haven't seen this cereal in so long. It does bring back some good memories. Here we have it. 2 huge bags. Let's check out those macros. 130 calories per serving. That's 33 grams of carbs, 12 grams of added sugar, and 2 grams of protein. You can pick up this huge box, basically 62 ounces, for only $6.49. And let's not forget about the Contact Premium Shelf Drawer Liners. Now, these liners are pretty awesome. 30 feet in total you get. Now, these are good for a variety of different things. You can put them in your cabinets. You can put them in your drawers. You can put them on top of your tabletop if you'd like. These are pretty handy. You can put them inside your toolbox, in your bathroom, in the cabinets. So many different useful products. We have 30 feet total in length here, 15 by 18 inches in total. So today we have a nice discount, $5 off, bringing the price down to $14.99. Now this week I am going to put out another video, maybe the top 10 or the top 20 best products you can buy here at Costco before the month is over. So stay tuned for that video. This is going to be one of them, this garage panel LED light here. It does come in a 2-pack. It has 8,000 max lumens. Now this light is pretty awesome because you can adjust it in different positions, and it does have one center downlight, which is pretty great. It has different color temperatures, as we can see there. A pretty nice garage light, has amazing reviews, and today we have a great discount as well. The price for 2 of these is a good price. I should have hit the try me button, but I forgot. Anyways, friends, you can pick it up here at Costco. $5 off, $19.99. Now, this deal is valid to the 31st. And I do have a couple more Cetaphil products I do want to show you. We have the Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now this is good for dry to normal sensitive skin. We get a 2 count here. Each bottle is 20 ounces. It hydrates as it cleanses. Now this is hypoallergenic and it won't clog pores either. Now today they're giving us a pretty decent discount. Same thing as before, $4.50 off, bringing the price down to $15.49. And finally, from Cetaphil as well, we have their moisturizing cream. Now, this is their ultimate cream that does have prebiotic and aloe already in it. Now, this is for very dry skin, dry sensitive skin. Now, here we get a 2-pack. They're not the same size, so we get one 20 ounce and then one 16 ounce. Now, this is rich hydration for 48 hours. The hint, very dry skin. $4.50 off the price, $15.49. So we do have a couple more products here that I do want to show you, but I am going to wait till later on this week. I'm going to show you the best 20 deals here at Costco before the end of the month, so stay tuned for that video. So alright friends, we are going to end the video here. If you did enjoy today's video, leave a comment below, like, comment, and share. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget about our giveaway. I'm going to have all the information in my last Amazon video for the giveaway. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed my Sam's Club video, leave a comment below. Let me know. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. And we'll have a new video out tomorrow for you friends. I'll see you tomorrow then. Peace.